In this video, I am going to tell you how to turn white into any color. Even you can change or turn white into black color as well. So what we have to do, we have to take a quick selection tool, any selection tool you can take it, or you can we have to select this shirt like this, and we have to select this shirt very cleanly, otherwise all the colors will go outside the shirt as well, which we don't want it. Like this, make sure every corner of this shirt has been selected very cleanly and nothing goes outside, otherwise as I told you that it will impact our design or color as well. Like this, make sure everything has been selected, you can see it. Press Ctrl plus sign uh, to focus this picture, and make sure every inch of this shirt, you can see it, selection is going outside the shirt, so I have to deep clean it. For that, you need to decrease the size of this selection tool by pressing curly bracket, which is beside the p button, p letter button. Like this, we have to spend some time in this. I'm doing this little bit slowly. I can mm, fast forward this video as well, but I want to show this step to you guys so you can not make any mistake here. Like this, make sure everything has been selected. We have to spend some time here. And let me tell you one more thing is that why I'm telling this so deeply, because if you search different freelancing website like Fiverr and other website, you can find a job related to this skill. If you search a job, you can find a lot of job related to this skill or this video. Like this, and then let me finish this. Then what I'm going to do is, you can see it, this part of the white is uh, on the other side of the chain. So what I'm going to do is press selection key and then make another selection from this part of the white piece. Okay, like this, let me finish it first and then you can see it. Don't forget to press while making another selection. Press little selection goes to the chain as well, so I'm going to remove it. Then press shift key and then select it like this. What will happen if when you press shift, another selection will be uh, occur in front of you. Okay, like this. And then when you finishes, what our next step is, let me zoom out first and then press Ctrl plus J to duplicate the layer. You can see it, our shirt has been selected. Now what I'm going to do is, let me wait a minute. Then what I'm going to do is, take a solid color, any color you want, whatever you want. I'm going to select green color, it looks very good. Then left click it, make sure you are on the solid layer, and then select clipping marks from there, and then change the blending mode, whatever you want, dissolve, multiply. You can try different options, whichever you like, you can select any. And then you can see it before and after. You can change the color of the shirt from by selecting this green color. Click on like this, blue, red, pink, whatever color you want, you can change it. You can see the results, how clean is this. You can select any color you want. Okay, now let's move to the other method. What is it? Now I'm going to change the color of this car. How we can do it? Let me little bit focus it first, and then Control plus J to duplicate the layer of this car, and then go to presets, color to bow mode, and then select hue and saturation, and then take a, you can see the slide tool, and take a eyedropper tool, and you can see that there is a option of dragging right side or left side. Right, if you move your cursor to the right side, the intensity of the color will not affect the other part of the picture. You can see it. You have to adjust this wheel according to the intensity. If I move to the left side, you can see it, color will be on the other part of this picture as well. So we have to adjust it and play with it until we have adjusted, and then still there is some color outside as well. Then take a eraser tool and remove the extra color which comes outside the car as well. You can use it, then increase or decrease the size of the eraser according to the space you have, then adjust it, and you can do it this very cleanly, easily, like this is a very easy method to do. You can apply in anything. You can even change the color by the color of a shirt and turn white into any color by this method as well. There is no hard and fast rule. I have to tell you, I have told you both the methods. Is up to you which method you like the most and use in your work while you, if you get the job for your client. That's it for now. Hope you like this video. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.